Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to bold text in WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to bold text in WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone, and after opening WhatsApp guys, on this interface open the chat box of the person to whom you want to send the bold text, and from over here tap in the message bar, and in order to send the bold message, first type in the asterisk or the star mark over here and start your message. I'll be just delivering a demo message, so like this guys, and in that message with the asterisk or the star mark again like this, and send your message. You can see guys, it's already made bold over here, and send it, it's on bold guys rather than the normal message. So let's send the normal message, and you can see guys the text has been bolded. And with that being done guys, this is how you will be able to bold text in WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.